solve 5 brackets 2x minus 5 is equal to 2.4 recurring. Write your answer in the form as a over b. So the first step, because we're going to want our final answer as a fraction, is to change that, this 0.24 recurring, into a fraction. So let x be equal to 0.24 recurring. That means that x is 0.2444. If you multiply that by 10, you get 2 point, and all the 4s then are after the decimal points. And then you need to multiply this again by 100. You get 24, and that lines up all the 4s. Therefore, to work this out, we need to do 100x minus 10x is going to be equal to 24 minus 2. So that means 90x is equal to 22, and therefore x will be 22 over 90. And as x was 0.24 recurring, then x will be equal to, 0.24 recurring will be 22 over 90, or cancelled down to 11 over 45. Now in an exam, you only need to put that in your calculator and it will cancel it down for you. So, solving our original equation, 5 brackets 2x minus 5 is equal to 2.4 recurring. We now solve 5 times 2x minus 5 is equal to 11 over 45. Expanding the bracket on the left-hand side, we're going to get 10x minus 25 is equal to 11 over 25. Now we just add 25 to both sides, but on our calculator we use the fraction button, 11 over 45 plus 25, and that will then give that 10x is equal to 1,136 over 45 as an improper fraction. That's fine. And then next we divide by 10, so that's going to give 1,136 divided by 450. And again, if we put that in our calculator and cancel down, we're going to just get 558 over 225. So that's now in the form as a over b as stipulated by the question. So good use of the fraction button on your calculator will help you greatly with this sort of type of question. But of course you have to show clear algebraic working in order to get all the marks. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.